Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. Hope you stick around and subscribe and become part of the makeup community. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that's called Parkinson's syndrome. It's genetic early onset Parkinson's, and that was one reason why I started the channel, is because makeup is for everybody. It is for every skin tone, every gender, every income level, every ability, and every disability. And I wanted to create a, really fun, positive place where everybody could talk about all things makeup and beauty. My name's Chris. I have a huge haul here for Beauty on a Budget this month at TJMaxx and Marshalls. Yeah, so I had 2 different trips and no self-control whatsoever. But that's okay. You know what? I share everything, so we're good to go. The first thing I'm most excited about, these are still available online at Ulta.com, and they're $35, but I got it for $9.99. This is a Lime Crime lip set. I got the best of nudes. They had like 4 of them there. Now, when I walked in and I saw them lined up on the shelf, did I scream holy expletive and hop up and down? Yes. Yes, I did. And I promptly went through and picked one out. So I got the best of nudes here. So you get your Velveteen, which is your liquid lipstick. And then you get the Diamond Crush topper and your gloss, which you guys know I really like the glosses. And a lip liner. And this is the nudes. And I'm so excited to have found this. You know, they're minis, but oh my gosh. $9.99 for Lime Crime. So here is the liquid lip, which I'm going to be using a lot. It was either this, between this or the best of mauves. Yeah, I got this one. Oh my gosh. So here's the Diamond Lip Topper. Diamond Crush, I think it's called. Lip Topper. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is, y'all. Oh, I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. And then the gloss, which you guys know I love the wet cherry gloss. I have a whole video actually reviewing the new 4 of them. And then, oh, smells like cherry. I love it. And then the Velveteen lip liner. Oh, wow, that's real smooth. I like that. I've never tried the liner. So there we go, $9.99 right now. Oh, so excited. Got that at TJMaxx. I'm so happy. So excited to get that. Now, not every TJMaxx and not every TJMaxx and Marshalls have the same things. So, but these are the things that I saw the most of in the multiple stores. So hopefully you will still be able to get that. That is an awesome deal. I also got for $7.99, I got a Becca Multitasking Perfecting Powder. And I mean, that's an amazing deal for Becca. The reason why I got this powder is the powder that I carry around in my purse is rather large. It is a Chanel powder, and so it's pretty big. This is little itty bitty. But I've been actually looking at Sephora and Ulta for a powder for when I want to carry a smaller handbag, because the Chanel one, I mean, I love it, but it is so bulky. I mean, it's like that big, rectangular, and so I needed something smaller to carry with me in a smaller handbag, and so I got this, and I was really excited. Speaking of Becca, oh my gosh, okay, I was super excited to find this one too, because I almost got it at Christmas, and I'm glad I waited. The Becca and Chrissy Teigan Glow Kit. Oh my gosh, so it is Glow Face Palette. That's what it's called, the Glow Face Palette. I almost got this at Christmas. Chrissy Teigan, I mean, she is beautiful, but she is hilarious too, and I love that about her. Hey, and it came with a First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh sample. How about that? $16.99. You take the little plastic off that. Let's take a look at this puppy. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at these. So beautiful. I know a lot of people are talking about, you know, Becca launching the same colors with different people, and you know what, I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. That just means I won't get the next one. These are really soft. I've got some Becca I got a Becca highlighter and a Becca blush already, and I know that I enjoy that a lot. So they're very soft, very pretty. I really like that. So another win. Another beauty on a budget win. I think that is all my Becca stuff. Oh, they did have a lot of Becca foundations too. I didn't pick one up, but I've been seeing that a lot with the Becca foundations. So if you know what your color is, you know, go make sure that nobody's messed with it. Of course, with anything, make sure that nobody's opened it or messed with it before you purchase it. But if you know your color, go get it. This is, speaking of foundations, I got a Bare Minerals Bare Skin Foundation for $7.99. Summer is coming up, and I wanted something that would not have a lot of coverage in it. So I picked this up, and I got it in Bare Linen 03. So if it's too light, I got a lot of people in my life who have very light complexions. If it's too dark, I got a lot of people in my life with darker complexions than mine is. I know that this will be too light for some of them, very too light for some of them, but I'm sure I got somebody in my life who would absolutely love this. And then I've been seeing the ABH stick foundations there, and they didn't really get a good review from people. And so I was like, you know what, I don't want to buy it. Even if it's beauty on a budget, if it's a big discount, if it's not worth it, it's not worth it. Well, you know what, I'm trying it out. So I got shade Shadow. And it seems to be a good shade for me. Maybe it could be, you know, a little dark. But I figured in the summertime, I'm going to, you know, be a little darker in the summer. But, there we go. I wanted to try it out. There. I could even contour with that, actually. That is a good shade for my sister. But I figured, you know what, it'd be a good way for me to try it out, because everybody has, like, you can even have twins that will have different needs for their face, and different foundations will play differently on everybody. So, figured I would try that out. And then Stila. Oh my gosh, there's so much Stila there right now. And there's Stila that is still in the store, still at Ulta. I got one of the Heaven's Hue highlighters in Brilliance. Oh my gosh, these are awesome. $9.99. I have wanted one of these ever since I saw them for the first time. They're kind of that jelly, you know, baked jelly, however you want to say, texture. I've got so many highlighters, it's unreal. But these are beautiful, and I've wanted one of those forever. This was really, you know, pretty universal gold color. I love that. Speaking of highlighters, oh my gosh, Hyperreal Glow from MAC. $19.99. That's not a lot percentage off, but it was enough for me, considering I was going to purchase this at full price anyway. I saw this. I was very, very excited. Look at these. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. So we got Flash and Awe, Rosy Glow, and Light of the Party. Let's take a look at these. They're not as soft as the Stila. I can tell that right off. They're not as soft as the Stila, but they look really pretty. Oh wow, look at that reflection. That is so beautiful. I have got to knock it off with the highlighters, man. That's going to be like eyeshadows here soon, where I just have too many to even deal with. But I want to try different things out to let you guys know what's good. Okay, more Stila. I got two new, the liquid eyeshadows. I got a new Glitter and Glow and a new Shimmer and Glow. So the new Glitter and Glow is Enchantress. Wait until you see this. It's so pretty. I love these. They're fantastic. So here's Enchantress. And this is the Glitter and Glow. Oh, that's beautiful. I love putting these on my lid. And then the Shimmer and Glow color I got, oh, by the way, these are $7.99 a piece, is Wild Smoky Quartz. $7.99. You cannot beat that. Okay. Ooh, so pretty. Look at that one. This would probably be an all-over lid color for me. Love those. They are so easy to apply. They're great. They're beautiful. And then one more. I got a Stay All Day liquid lipstick for $4.99 from Stila. $4.99. Oh, I don't use a lot of liquid lipstick, honestly. But this looks very pretty. Oh, wow. It does not have a lot of stopper in here. So when you pull it out, I mean, it's like right there. Oh, I like the applicator, though. So there's the lippy. A lot comes out on the applicator. I mean, there's not much of a stopper in there at all. Just a heads up. But that is a beautiful color. So, Stila products there. Only got a couple more to go. Oh, and I got another MAC here. I got a MAC lip gloss, and I'm actually going to apply this. It is in Baby Sparks. It is the Dazzle Glass. Look how pretty. Look at that. Just a little light pink. Here we go. You can see that. Just a sheer wash of baby pink with a little bit of glitter. And of course I'm going to, you know, mess it up with my dark lipstick. That's okay. I wiped it off a little bit. Before I put it back in. I like it. It's a little, you know, MAC lip glosses are really good. They got a little bit of stickiness to them, but all in all, they're really good. I've always really liked them. And then I got a Bobbi Brown lip gloss. I was super excited to find Bobbi Brown lip gloss. It is in pink beige, and I got it for $9.99. Very excited about that. Bobbi Brown is amazing. Look how pretty that is. This is one I will use a lot. Come spring and summertime, I use a lot of glosses. Look at that. So, so pretty. And I've been seeing a lot of these. The Urban Decay Vice toppers, lip toppers, I've been seeing a lot of them. And it's $7.99. Oh, actually, this one's the liquid lipstick. Sorry, I lied. Actually, I didn't lie because there are a lot of the toppers. This one's a liquid lip, though. It's a Vice liquid lip. And here it is. So this is Amulet. Very nice. Let's see how this looks. Oh, that's pretty. Kind of looks like the other one I picked up. Okay. Looks like someone in my life is going to be getting a really pink, or pretty pink. I don't know. Maybe I'll just keep them both. I don't know. We'll see. So guys, that is quite a bit sitting here on my desk of stuff that I got. And I am super excited about all of them. You know, beauty on a budget, man. And here's the thing. If you had gotten, let's say, the Hyperreal Glow highlighter over Christmas and you spent full price on it, you'd still be using it. I see nothing wrong with getting, or the Becca kit. Oh my gosh. I mean, of course you'd still be using this if you got it at Christmas time. So getting it a couple months later, I see nothing wrong with that. Plus, a lot of beauty brands are going out of business. And so you're finding stuff that was also at beauty brands where they were liquidating. So keep an eye out. They're getting a lot of really great beauty products in at TJMaxx and Ulta. Or TJMaxx and Marshalls. I say TJMaxx and Ulta, it just flies out because where we go shopping, there's Ulta and TJMaxx like right next to each other. So I'm used to saying, we'll go to Ulta and TJMaxx because it just kind of goes together. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. If you found anything lately, you know, some really good deals there, let me know down in the comments and let me know, you know, if you've tried this stuff, like what you really like. So I'll know what to keep an eye out for myself. All right, guys, that's it. I'll talk to you down in the comment section and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.